Here we go. We're talking now. Day 2, part 5. We're getting down to the last of this Duplicolor color match here. Perfect color. White Toyota paint. Matchup paint. So the area I'm going to be concentrating in primarily is in the center right here. Okay. That's where the heavy primer was done. We got breezes going. We got temperatures of hot. Talking 89. In the shade. Humidity. Sweat. We got it all going on. Right now, sorry for the slight delay. Called a painting pause. But I'm just trying to keep the paint on the car, not in the air, because of this breeze. Alright, I'll shake the heck out. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. So I moved into the shade. It bought me some time. Let's see what we got. I'm just going to kind of mist over this whole thing. There you go. That's that. Missed action. Might have to back up just so I can see it. Yeah, man. Yep. Yeah, that mist action worked a lot better. Let me see if I can. The only problem is in the shade, I can't see the contrast as well. But we'll work with it. Alright, I'm going to let that sit. No, quick video there. Let it dry for about 10 and see how it works. A little bit of drying action. So we'll do that, let her sit up, come back in 10, and we'll finish up this can.